How to export Claude AI conversations. So whether you're switching to a new AI or just need a local backup of your best prompts, knowing how to get your data out of Claude is essential. So Anthropic has added native export tools, but there are still faster ways to grab single chats, and I'm showing you the best ways. So if you want every single chat you've ever had, use the native bulk export. So you just click on your profile icon on the bottom left, you go to the settings, and then hit the privacy tab right here. Then click export data right over here. And Claude will bundle your entire account into a zip file and email you a download link within 24 hours. Also, for a single conversation, the fastest way is a copy button. So at the bottom of any Claude's responses, hit the copy button icon, and this grabs the text with markdown formatting intact. If you need a clean PDF, don't just print to PDF from the browser. Instead, use a browser extension like Claude Exporter. And also, the memory export is available to move the AI soul to other platforms. You can ask Claude this, so output every memory and preference you ever stored about me in a single code block. And this creates a portable summary of your work style, projects, and custom instructions that you can simply paste into a new one, AI, and of course, have all your data dump. And this is how you secure your AI data. If this export guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe button, ring the bell to not miss our new uploads, and see you soon.